Happiness cannot be found in all of the places that you're looking for it. You know, as a kid, I memorized this poem that I loved, and it said this: everybody everywhere seeks happiness, it's true, but finding it and keeping it seems difficult to do. Difficult because we think that happiness is found only in the places where wealth and fame abound. And so we go on searching in the palaces of pleasure, looking for wealth and monetary treasure, unaware that happiness is just a state of mind within the reach of everyone that takes time to be kind. So your 1 minute of inspiration today is to stop looking everywhere for happiness, because happiness is found within yourself. Happiness is found in finding your life's passion, running after your purpose, and being kind and loving on those around you. You're making it way too difficult and way too complicated. Things will not make you happy. Happiness has to be found within you. Go make yourself a fabulous, happy day.